Hi, bread friends. It's another no makeup day. I'm just about to start a workout here, and I actually am making this video to take a little survey of you. I want to know, what do you want me to show you in a video? Keep in mind that I'm not very interested in making white bread, and I have made white bread on my bread machine for newbies video, so that's white bread. I don't have a white bread recipe of my own because I don't make white bread. It's boring. I mean plain white bread. Anyway, and I don't do sourdough, and I cannot do anything with nuts, as most of you know, because I'm allergic to nuts. So it's slightly limiting, but not a lot. So if there's something that you would like to see a video of, I will try and develop a recipe or find one and show you how to do it. And so basically what I would like you to do for me is comment where the comments are, what I can do for you. That's it. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you need help with. I can't think of anything else that I can say about this, but just tell me what you want. There you go.